let's get it. Can we do the intro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take over this channel. Hi, I'm back.
Welcome back. Today is the first photo shoot that I'm doing this year, and how about you?
Me too.
Yay! And today I have Kristina again. You guys really loved the video that we did last time.
Yep, you're not gonna get enough of me. I'm
Yeah.
gonna be back every week.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot a lot this year. And today I found this location here, which is this flower bush, and literally it's like such a nothing location, and I wanted to make a photo shoot out of it to show you guys again that you can make something really amazing out of something super mundane. I literally drive past this road almost every day and I've noticed this flower bush here and it's just so vibrant and bright, and I had to do a photo shoot here, so
It's literally so similar to the other photo shoot. We're just trying to prove a point. You don't need much to make a shoot out of, and
exactly.
it's literally just a plant over someone's backyard. So it's gonna turn out. I think it's gonna turn out really good.
Same.
Yay! Let's shoot.
I'll just get you to come out.
This picks up really well on.
It really does.
camera.
Maybe take a step this way. I reckon this one would look cool if you kind of did similar to the field shoot. If you kind of want to like more like abstract ones, maybe.
Okay.
Just because it's like a weird angle.
I would just like be in my own world.
Yeah, go for it.
Just
gardening.
safety hazard.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. And even if you wanted to kind of lean down towards me a little bit as well.
I'm like this on the camera. He's like, what the hell? This may be my favorite shoot already.
Yeah?
I like the colors, it's really nice. Okay, I'm really liking this.
Good job, pal. You did good. It was like dead last week and then it came back to life.
I just knew.
It did.
You were coming.
This is a cool angle actually. I'll do a couple more with this one and then I'll switch so we can get some more
Okay.
close-ups. Can you just stand with your head like... Yeah. So clean. I was shooting on my Sigma 24mm 1.4 and now I'm going to switch to my Canon 35mm 1.4. Cool. Let's do some like just walking around the bush.
Yeah.
Do you want to grab that flower that's right there next to your head? Yeah. Should we do maybe one sitting down and we can get changed?
Okay.
Maybe just here and I can like kind of shoot up a little bit. That breeze is so perfect right now. my knees.
Yuck.
I always take a million when the wind starts blowing.
Yay!
And Dan,
And this beautiful tree.
Woo!
Oh, you got a new phone.
I did.
Oh, yes.
I am doing my first photo shoot of the year today with Kristina and Dan. We're making it behind the scenes. Woo! We're doing 2 outfits, so this is outfit number 2. Ta-da! Do like over the shoulder?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the swing.
You're a big fan of the sway.
I am. I
know.
love the sway. I even like it where you can see like the cars and stuff in the background. It's like casual. No.
Yeah, you're.
No. We can go this angle.
Yeah. Cry the car. Your car was like in theme with it too. Like matches.
It is.
High energy.
Let's
go.
do it.
Oh my god, now I just want to like run a marathon or something.
Do you want to do anything else? That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's her energy.
Just an outtake.
Here, and I'm gonna shoot like this way. Yeah. Bye.
I love
Actually,
these,
that's
yeah.
cool. I know we're always like, oh, we'll just do like a half an hour shoot, and you edit like 1 or 2
I
photos,
know.
and then I edit like 20 because there's just so many to choose from. Yeah.
Life is a
Oh, this one's pretty. Yeah. Can you get your head like in here?
Yeah.
Wait, do that up
shooting,
one again. I'll like never stop.
Yeah, I know.
Just one quick shot. 10 shots later. I can send these to you.
I'm so happy you got a new phone.
Me too!
Yay.
Yay. Cool. Amazing.
Is that it?
Yeah, we're done.
That's
Wrapped
it, folks.
up. That's it, folks. Yeah, we wrapped up our first shoot. Did you like it?
Yes, loved it again. There's
Same.
gonna be more.
Yeah.
So watch out.
I mean, the one that we did last year in the fields, that was my favorite shoot last year.
Yes.
I really,
That was-
really loved
I think
it.
that was my only shoot last
Oh,
year.
really?
But yeah, it was really fun.
I mean, I didn't do that many either, but that was my favorite
Yeah.
one.
Well, same as this. It was just
it's just like relaxed and
Yeah.
just fun, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need to spend a lot of money. You don't need somewhere really cool to shoot. You don't need to drive hours.
You don't need a massive team. It's just me and Kristina and Dan.
Yeah. Just walk down the road and you'll find something.
Yeah, literally.
Voila.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys all next time, probably with Kristina again. I'll be back. See ya.
Bye.